scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream.
Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to St. George Dragon Summer Camp. Do you see what I have today? Ice cream. I do like ice cream, don't you? It's a little too cold. I think I'm gonna leave it get a little softer and a little warmer. How about we play a game and sing a song while this gets a little warmer? I have a song for you today. You can sing it with me. Are you ready? It goes like this. I like ice cream. How about you? I like ice cream. How about you? I like ice cream. How about you? What flavor is my ice cream? It's white. What's your guess? What flavor is my ice cream? Did you guess vanilla? All right, good job. All right, here's another flavor. Here we go. I like ice cream. How about you? I like ice cream. How about you? I like ice cream. How about you? What flavor is my ice cream? It's brown. What flavor ice cream is brown color? You know it. Chocolate ice cream. Good. All right, one more time. I like ice cream. How about you? I like ice cream. How about you? I like ice cream. How about you? What flavor is my ice cream? It's pink. Did you say strawberry? All right. Strawberry ice cream. What's your favorite flavor of ice cream? I like chocolate chip. What's yours? Nice. Yum. Ice cream is so good, especially in the summer. Our story is Wemberley's Ice Cream Star by Kevin Hanks. It was a hot day. As a special treat, Wemberley was given an ice cream star. There's her star, made of ice cream. Sounds delicious. Wemberley worried that she might drip on her new dress. Why would she drip on her new dress? What would happen to the ice cream that it would drip? If it started to melt, right? That happens sometimes. Wemberley worried that there was no ice cream star for Petal. Who do you think Petal is? Yeah, her stuffed bunny. She had one, but Petal didn't. So Wemberley got 2 bowls and 2 spoons and 2 napkins. I wonder what she's going to do with her ice cream star. And she waited. Do you see what's happening? Her ice cream star is melting and it's starting to drip. Where do you think that drip is going? Right in the bowl. And waited. What's happening to her star? It's getting smaller, isn't it? As it melts and she's dropping it into her bowl. And waited. Her star's almost all melted. Then Wemberley and Petal sat down to an ice cream star soup. Is it really soup? No, it's melted ice cream. And neither of them spilled a drop. I'll help you finish yours. Can Petal eat her ice cream? No. So Wemberly ate hers too. I like that story. All right, I'm getting hungry for my ice cream again. Should we see if it got a little softer? Let's take a look. Oh, look what happened to my ice cream. What happened to it? It melted, right. So at first, it was solid. That's a new word, solid. When it came out of the freezer, it was hard and cold, and it was solid. Now I let it sit, and the warm summer day melted my ice cream, and it turned it to liquid. So it went from a solid to a liquid. Wow. Let me show you some other things. I have this. Do you know what this is? It's an ice cube tray. It's empty right now. And I brought out some water. This water is a liquid, like juice and milk. They're liquids. You pour them into something else and they take the shape of whatever you poured it into. So our water is a liquid and I can pour it out. I'm going to fill up my ice cube trays. Can you see the water going in? The liquid. I'm pouring it in my tray. I wonder, do you have ice cream trays at home? Maybe you have an ice maker in your freezer that makes ice for you. So if I take this liquid and I put it in the freezer where it's very cold, what do you think will happen? Will my ice cube tray stay liquid? Or will it turn to solid? I put my ice cube tray in the freezer. And look what happened. After hours of being in the freezer, it turned to a solid. Look at that. It was a liquid where you can pour it to a solid. Can I pour this? I can't. But can you already see what's happening? What's already happening to my ice cube? It's starting to melt. Do you think this is going to turn back into a liquid? It is. So we learned two different new words. Liquid and solid. Do you remember Wemberly's ice cream? It changed. It changed from a solid to a liquid when it melted. I wonder, can you do this at home? Can you put something that's a liquid in your freezer and watch it become a solid? Maybe see how long does it take? Does it take an hour? Does it take 2 hours? This took almost 4 hours to freeze. I wonder how long yours would take. And I wonder what else we could make change from a liquid to a solid. Let's think about that. Let's get back to it. Okay, so I can take my empty ice cube trays and I can put some different things in there to change from a liquid to a solid. I brought out some apple juice today. And I can take my liquid apple juice and I can pour it, and maybe mommy and daddy could help you. I can pour it in my ice cube trays and put this in the freezer. What do you think that will make? Right, it will change from a liquid to a solid, and I could have some apple pops. Now I might wait a while till it starts getting a little frozen, a little harder, and then I could put some straws in when they're able to stand up. Right now that straw would fall over. Or I could put some toothpicks in so that when it's frozen, I would have some apple juice on a stick. I could also use some yogurt. That starts off as a liquid. I could use some Jell-O. I could make some Jell-O that starts off as a liquid and then freeze it and turn it into a salad. I wonder what you might make. Let's put these in the freezer and see what they look like later. So look what happened to my liquid apple juice. After about an hour, I put the straws in, and you can see some of them are straight and some are crooked because it was still a little soft, but it was enough that they could stand up. And when I actually pull them out, look what I have. My apple juice turned to a salad. And now I have an apple juice pop. So delicious. What are you going to make? I can't wait to see. And have fun. Happy summer.